Hello guys, welcome to YouTube Monetization Secret. In today's video, I'm going to talk about voiceover. When you talk of voiceover in creating videos, we are talking about the sound that the reviewer will be hearing, not the music. You airing out what the video is all about. Yes, if you want your video to be monetized, two things, two things must be in place. It's either you show your face or you use your real voice. Don't use a robot voice. Use your real voice. You can use your real voice or you pay a professional to do it for you. I always use my voice and I use this app on my system called Voice Recorder. This is the app. So this is the app here. So of I'm going to do a sample today using this script. Using this script. This top 10 script that I copied online. I copied it online, I edited them, make it my own. So I can now go ahead to read out the script. So for you to estimate the number, the minutes, the length of your video, you can come to this website. You can come to this website called textconverter.io. With this text converter, you have your script ready. What you need to do is just come here, let it load. It is loading. Okay, yes. Let's say this is my script. This is my script that I will be reading. I've copied the script. Come to this place, paste your text, paste it here. Now I want to use fast voice to read the script. So I would select fast. I'll let it be speech. Then I will calculate the minutes of my length or the length of my video. So with this little script, which is 287 words, 1702 characters, I will be able to have a 2 minutes 36-second voiceover. So that is it. If you want to make 8 minutes video, just write your script and come and check it here. Use fast. Always try it. Use fast. If you use normal, it might give you 3-4 minutes, and when you finish recording, you see that you have 2 minutes plus. So using fast will give you almost exactly the length of your video once you finish recording. So now this is my script. Let me go and read my script now so that you can hear it, or you can see how I used to do it. I'll come to the app. I'll keep it one side, and I will click on this mic symbol, record, or you click on to R. So I'll click on it. So I'll start. The Nigerian music industry is one of the fastest growing industry in Africa. Nigeria has a limited reserve of musical talent, as we have witnessed through their brilliant songs and viral content. The success in their career has always brought a great deal of financial incentive for them through their music, charges per show, endorsement, and personal investment. Here is a list of the top 10 richest Nigerian musicians in 2022, ranked according to their net worth, awards, and investment. Number 1, Wizkid, $30 million in net worth. Wizkid has a net worth of 30 million and is the richest musician in Nigeria. So I'll start. The Nigerian music industry is one of the fastest growing industry in Africa. Nigeria has a limited reserve of musical talent, as we have witnessed through their brilliant songs and viral content. The success in their career has always brought a great deal of financial. So that is it. Once you have your voice over ready, you come here, recording, click on it, rename it, name it with whatever you want to record. You want to name it, like let me say testing here, then I'll click enter. So this one is non-testing. So when I want to go and work with this voice or work on this voice, I'll go to my Camtasia Studio. I'll go there, click on click on Add Media. Okay, let me close this. I'll click on Add Media, Import. I'll go to wherever my document, my voice recording is. And my own is always in a on document sound recording. So I click on it, look for testing. Let me scroll down, look for testing, testing. Yeah, this is testing. This is testing. I'll click on it. I'll click open. So let's look for testing. Yes, this is testing. This is testing. Testing. So I would drag it and drop it here. So you can listen to it again. Yes, this is testing. This is testing. Let me play so that you can confirm that is the voice I just recorded. So I will start. The Nigerian music industry is one of the fastest growing industry in Africa. Yes, that is the voice. So work on this voice. Click on audio effects, noise remover, drag the noise remover and drop it there to reduce background noise. Then make sure that this place is turned on, that is green, is turned on, green. You can do that by clicking on properties. You see noise remover, turn it on like this, it is on. Then toggle it back. Then for this delay that did not say anything, I would drag it or I cut it off, drag it to this point. Then let me check. There's a place that I stopped recording. I was saying, okay, let's listen. And it's the richest musician in Nigeria. That is how you do it. So other places that did not say anything, I will now also cut it off or I drag this. Yes, with this, you have a sound ready for you to put some short clips or pictures, and you are done with video. After that, you export it. That is how to do a simple video. Thank you.